Yes, we are writing Rehab. Rehab. The name of Rehab. Okay, fine. This is activity for recognizing your name and understanding the beginning and ending sound of your name. Very good. Good job. Now we are writing the Ali name. Muhammad is a long name, so I didn't have the lots of pegging with me. I just have 7 pegging. So unable to write Muhammad, so we can write Ali. Okay, where are you, Ali? Ali, where are you? Come here.
मोहम्मद की स्पेलिंग बड़ी है।
मोहम्मद की स्पेलिंग तो बहुत बिग है और टीचर didn't have the more pegging, so unable to write Muhammad, but we are able to write Ali.
देखो अली ये देखो
Ali. It's a short name. Ali. Ali. It's a name of Muhammad. Ali. Now turn goes to Abrish. Abrish. What is the beginning sound of Abrish? A. First of all, I. Abrish. Very nice, Abrish. Very nice. Then ha. Am I right? Abrish, am I right? I am writing Abrish.
Abrish is not here.
Abrish is here.
Okay, it's add the video.
Abrish. So, I would like to share the screen about today's word. Okay? Just wait. Did you see the screen?
Yes.
Screen? On this worksheet, what you do, paste your picture or write your name. Having your picture, so you can draw your picture as well. Okay? You can draw your picture as well. And look at downside. I can write my name on the given line here. Here is a line. You can write your name here. Okay? You can write your name here. You can write your name here. Here. This is your today's homework. We are doing activity with the name letter sound. We can do this worksheet as a homework.
आटा गुना हुआ इनके लिए पराठा बना दो लोगों को कबाब करना कि कपड़े कबाब करना
Who is making paratha?
इनके कबाब करना और वो बना इनके लिए पराठा बना लो बाकी रोटी आटा गुना अंदर
Okay. I will show some picture to you. You can tell me the name of that picture. What is this? Can you tell me? Shining brightly at the night time. Who is that?
कौन है नजर नहीं आ रहा नहीं नहीं टीचर नहीं आ रही है सर
Sun. Very nice. Good job.
अब देखो जल्दी देखो टीचर कहती है
And what is this?
जोर से बोलो ब्लैक
Cat. Very good.
Black cat.
What is this? Very good job. Very nice. Everyone, Mohammed, you also speak up. And what is this? Here, that means something.
So it's for pan, not pancake, it's pan.
It's a pan.
Pan.
Pan. Very good. Now, what is this?
Box.
Box. What is this?
Box.
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 Box. Very good. Box. And what is this? Which we are using for our activity as well. Pegging. Very nice.
Pegging.
And what is this?
देखो क्या है नजर ही नहीं आ रहा कुछ क्या है
Rat.
दिख ही नहीं रही टीचर
Did you see the picture?
बोलो नो टीचर
No teacher.
Now, okay. So, we will discuss about the another part of computer that is keyboard. First of all, I share the picture to you. Look at the picture of keyboard. Now look, it's a
Keyboard.
keyboard. It's a keyboard. Why we call this one to keyboard? Because it has lots of keys. You can see there are number keys, there are letter keys, there are function keys.
टीचर बोले ना वो बोर्ड से बोला करो
Many keys are there. So we call keyboard.
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Very nice. Good job. But if you guys are talking, I will mute you. Please.
Keyboard.
नारा देख रहा है
बाबा जी कीबोर्ड है
देख रहा था
where are you
एक
going?
क्लिप लेकर आता हूं पराठा निकाल देता हूं चीनी डाल दो अक्षय
Yes. I will mute all of you because you guys are continuously talking and not listening carefully.
Maybe it's the electrical issue from the Miss Aram side. Now start the poem. Okay. When she will continue the computer session. Okay. Now start. Which poem we will sing in? Which poem? The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus goes round and round all day long, all day long. The pupil on the bus goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The pupil on the bus goes up and down, up and down all day long, all day long. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut all day long. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all day long, all day long. The wiper on the bus goes swish, 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 swish. The wiper on the bus goes swish, 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 all day long, all day long. The conductor on the bus says, ticket please, ticket please, ticket please. The conductor on the bus says, ticket please, ticket please, ticket please, all day long. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 wah. Wah, wah, wah. The babies on the bus goes wah, 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 all day long, all day long. The mommy on the bus says, the mommy on the bus says, all day long, all day long. The father on the bus says, I love you, I love you, I love you. The father on the bus says, I love you, I love you, all day long. The wheel on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus goes round and round all day long, all day long. Okay. Okay, Miss Aram, continue your work.
Sorry for hanging my system. So
Yes, I know. That's why.
We are talking about the another part, that is keyboard. First of all, I share the picture. Now you can see the screen. It's a keyboard. It's a keyboard. Keyboard is a device used to input information into a computer. Keyboard is a device used to input information into a computer. It's contain many buttons called keys. You can see on the screen, it contains many buttons that is called keys. What we do with the key? We can open the door, we can start the car, we can open the lock. Many work we can do with the keys. So same like the keyboard, it's also do many works on computer. What is this? This is keyboard. This is keyboard. This is keyboard.
Keyboard.
What is this? I must unmute them, then they will say and give the answer to me. Yes, now quick. Unmute yourself, everyone. So today we are learning about the keyboard. I show the real one to you.
Board, board.
Look.
Board.
Look at my keyboard. It also contains many keys and we can do different work with these keys. Apesh, Mardane, did you see the screen?
नहीं चाय में क्वेश्चन
Yes.
है ना खाली
It's a keyboard. What is this?
Keyboard.
Everyone speak up.
Keyboard.
Keyboard. And it contains many keys. It contains many keys.
नीचे रख दो चाय वो गद्दे खा रही है वो
Keyboard.
What is this?
नहीं बस बहुत है
What is this? What is this?
Keyboard.
And it's a input device. It's a input device. Keyboard is a input device. Keyboard is a input device. Speak up.
Keyboard is a input device. Everyone speak up. Heather. Keyboard is a input device. Input device. Input device. It contains many keys.
It contains
Many keys.
very nice. Okay, who tell me what is the brain of computer?
CPU.
Who can tell me? Please, mothers, you don't give the answer.
Okay, now can you touch your brain? Can you please tell me where is your brain? Where is your brain? Touch your brain.
Touch your brain.
Where is? Where is? It's inside the skull. Sorry. Touch your brain. There. If Allah is not give us a brain, we will not do anything. We will not think anything. So
Yes, we can do all
computer
activities
has a brain.
using of brain. Very nice. So same in the computer as well. CPU is the brain of computer. He gives the order, he gives the actions, and we can do with the help of other parts like mouse, like speakers, like printer. We can print information with the printer machine on paper. So these parts are very helpful to do work on computer. Okay, can you tell me what we do with the computer except work? Work के अलावा हम क्या करते हैं computer में?
We play game.
Yes, we can play game.
And another one. Tell me what we will do with the computer.
about
Jaldi
that.
बताइए.
Quick, think about that.
Teacher, give the golden star if you will tell us.
Yes, do it fast.
We playing a game and we listen to the. अब हम एक lesson भी करते हैं. What we क्या करते हैं हम listen क्या करते हैं? We listen music.
Music.
Very good.
We can
Playing game. We watching movie.
Very good. We can draw
And
pictures. We can color pictures over there. So
Yes.
all the work done in the computer. All the work done in the
computer.
computer. This is your golden star which you get today.
Thank you, teacher. Say thank you, teacher. Thank you.
My dear.
Thank you.
Now Miss
Thank you,
Ashi will
teacher.
sing the awesome poem for you. Let's start, Miss Ashi.
Are you ready, all of you? Please show me your thumbs up if you are ready. And you will do the action with me.
Yes,
Show
we
your thumbs
are.
up if
Yes,
you are ready.
we are.
Okay, now
May
everyone do the action with me. Okay?
I mute them?
Roly
or
poly,
unmute?
roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, right, right, right. Roly poly, left, left, left. Roly poly, in. Roly poly, out, out, out. Roly poly, slow, slow, slow. Roly poly, fast, fast, fast.
Wow.
Okay, now the azan is going on. After azan, we will singing other song.
We just wait for the azan.
What you will say?
Africa. Okay. बैठ जाऊंगा बहुत मम्मा
अभी टाइम अभी नहीं है बस थोड़ी आएंगी ना तो पाएंगे
क्या कर रही है क्या कर रही है
रोली पूरी लेफ्ट एंड यहाँ से
Can we start?
Yes.
Okay. मेरे दो है हाथ छोटे छोटे हाथ मेरे दो है हाथ छोटे छोटे हाथ रहते हैं जो मेरे साथ साथ रहते हैं जो मेरे साथ साथ आओ ये दुआ करें आओ ये दुआ करें इनसे जो भी हम करें इनसे जो भी हम करें अच्छे हो वो काम अच्छे हो वो काम अल्लाह के हुकाम अल्लाह के हुकाम मेरी दो है आंखें मेरी दो है आंखें छोटी छोटी आंखें छोटी छोटी आंखें रहती हैं जो मेरे साथ साथ रहती हैं जो मेरे साथ साथ आओ ये दुआ करें आओ ये दुआ करें इनसे जो भी हम देखें इनसे जो भी हम देखें अच्छी हो वो चीजें अच्छी हो वो चीजें अल्लाह की हो चीजें अल्लाह की हो चीजें मेरी एक जबान मेरी एक जबान छोटी सी जबान छोटी सी जबान रहती है जो मेरे साथ साथ रहती है जो मेरे साथ साथ आओ ये दुआ करें, आओ ये दुआ करें, इनसे जब भी हम कहें, इनसे जब भी हम कहें, अच्छी हो वो बात, अच्छी हो वो बात, अल्लाह की हो बात, अल्लाह की हो बात, मेरे दो है कान, मेरे दो है कान, छोटे छोटे कान, छोटे छोटे कान, रहते हैं जो मेरे साथ साथ, रहते हैं जो मेरे साथ साथ, आओ ये दुआ करें, आओ ये दुआ करें, इनसे जो भी हम सुने, इनसे जो भी हम सुने, अच्छी हो वो बात, अच्छी हो वो बात, अल्लाह की हो बात, अल्लाह की हो बात, मेरे दो है पाँव, मेरे दो है पाँव, छोटे छोटे पाँव, छोटे छोटे पाँव, रहते हैं जो मेरे साथ साथ, रहते हैं जो मेरे साथ साथ, आओ ये दुआ करें, आओ ये दुआ करें, इनसे जब भी हम चले, इनसे जब भी हम चले, अच्छी हो वो राह, अच्छी हो वो राह, अल्लाह की हो राह, अल्लाह की हो राह, आमीन या रब्बुल आलमीन।
Jazakallah. Now Miss Noori is also with us and Miss Turfa also there. Yes. Miss Turfa, are you there? Are you hear me?
Yes, 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 yes. Now I can hear you. I'm here.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum to all.
Walaikum
Walaikum
assalam. How are you, Miss?
I'm good. How are you all?
We all are fine and enjoying the class. Miss Ashi is
Very
singing the awesome poems with them.
Shall we begin with our reflection time or?
Yes, reflection time.
Okay. Hello everyone. How are you,
Hello
Shayan?
teacher.
Janab. Hello, Umar.
Say hello teacher.
Hi.
Say hi.
Today we are going to learn a new word in our class, okay? Remember, we done so many words like thank you, sorry, please. तो आज हम एक new word पढ़ेंगे बहुत ही अच्छा सा, okay? Now teacher is going to show you a picture, okay? Look at your screen. Here it is. Wow. Look. There is a mama in a picture, a girl and a boy. Okay. The girl name is Sarah and the boy name is Muhammad. Okay. They are helping her mama. Look. What are they doing? They are helping her mama
देखती रहना.
in kitchen.
ये
Okay.
मॉम है, वो बराबर में कौन है बताएंगे आपको, ठीक है?
They're helping her mama in
पकड़ के रहो ना बेटा एमसीडी को अब यार.
Sarah and Muhammad loves to help their mama in kitchen, okay? And when they help her mama, what mama said to them? Mama say, thank you, okay? And do you know what they say in the answer? They say welcome. No. They say I am being pleasured. What?
Pleasure.
I am being pleasured. When
Pleasure.
we feel, yes, when we feel happy to help someone, like when you feel happy to help your mama, we will say I am being pleasured to help you. Okay, instead of welcome हम क्या बोलते हैं? I am
सब सब
being
ऊपर
pleasured. What?
हाँ पढ़ ले भी यहाँ का डालना नहीं पड़ता
I am
पागल होकर सूखेंगे कैसे रहता
I am
गलवा ऊपर डाल के आ जाओ
being
pleasured to help you.
pleasured to help you.
Okay. When you help your teacher in classroom, yes, when you help your teacher in classroom in doing her some work, what teachers say to you? Thank you. And when you feel happy to help your teacher, you should say, teacher, I am being pleasured to help you. Pleasure to help you. Yes, very nice. Good. Yes.
Very good, Heather.
And what should we say? Shayan.
करना है चलो बोलो प्लेजर
Pleasure. Pleasure.
I am being
I am being
pleasured.
pleasured.
What?
Pleasure.
I am
I am
being pleasured.
pleasure. I am pleasure.
Very
Pleasure.
nice. Very nice.
Pleasure.
सीधे दे सीधे
और ये दुआ के
Yes. Yes, Shreya, what did we say?
pleasure
pleasure.
कैसे pleasure
Pleasure.
Yes, very nice.
Mama.
Can you hear me? Can you hear
Yes.
me?
टीचर को ये thumbs up करो
Yes.
Yes.
thumbs up करो
Yes, we are hear you.
Okay, because I can't see anything. There is black in my screen.
Mama, Miss Nuri or Miss Safa?
You can continue. You can continue telling them. They are listening.
Okay, right, Chayan. Zainab, can you tell me when you help your mama say thank you, and what should you say to your mama?
pleasure
Yes, Zainab. I am pleasured. I am being pleasured. Okay, very nice. Good job. Good job. Very. Now, Miss Hiram will tell you what we are going to do next. Okay.
Miss Noori is here. We can start our reading. Umar, sit proper, bete. Hello, Miss Noori.
Assalamu alaikum to all.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm good. How are you all? Can you please wave your hand? I cannot see you. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Umar?
Umar, sit proper, bete.
Okay, so Umar is only doing the listening part. Okay, fine. So remember we were doing reading. Yes. Do you have your storybooks with you? Do you have your storybooks? No? Okay, it's totally fine. Teacher will show you on the screen so you can read it with her. Okay? Wow, Shayan has it. Okay, so first teacher is going to show you some words. We are going to read them. And these are the names of the characters. Is it fine? If is it fine, can you please show me a thumbs up? Yes? Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, so first we are going to read the names of the ORT series characters. Okay, so can you tell me what is written in red color? Can you tell me what is written in red color? Shayan Betu, please keep it aside. Yes, we are going to read the names now. Okay? Yes. Can you tell me what is written in red color? Mom. Mom. Very nice. Okay. So now can you tell me what is written in blue color? Dad. Dad. Yes, Dad. Good job. Thank you so much, Jana. Okay, so now can you tell me what is written in green color? Biff.
बोलो अब बोलो
Biff.
Biff. Very nice. Thank you so much, Zainab. You can also unmute yourself. Yes. Very
Find the
good,
last
Shayan. Very nice. Okay. Reha, Betu, you can also unmute yourself. Okay. Mom.
Mom.
Mom. Dad. Biff. Biff. Yes. And now can you tell me what is written in purple color? Chip.
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 Very nice. Okay. Kipper is coming. Okay. So what is written in orange color?
Kipper.
Skipper. Very nice. Very nice. It is Skipper. And what is written in yellow color?
अच्छा लग रहा है फिर टीचर आपको देख
Can you
रही है
tell me?
दिक्कतें कर रही है ये देख रही हो टीचर दोनों बैठी हुई हैं
What is written in yellow color? Floppy.
ये बदल क्या करे?
Floppy. Can you please read it? Floppy.
Floppy.
Floppy. Floppy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So now we are going to read our storybook. Okay? Yes, we are going to read our storybook.
उठा दिया ऊपर
Floppy.
अभी रुक जाओ क्लास ले रही है ना
Yes.
तुम जाकर ऊपर सुखा कर आ जाओ ना तो उनसे क्लास दिलवा रही हूँ मैं तो ऊपर सुखा
What is the name of the storybook? The Pancake. The Pancake.
The pancake.
Very nice. Very nice. Thank you. Okay. So can you open your storybook? If you have one, let's go on first page. Okay?
Capri.
Yes.